Hi, in this video I will review Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. I see a one envelope on the top. It has a recipe book, manual, and a quick start guide how to place the thermometer. Grill grade, it looked very solid, heavier and long lasting as compared to other brands. There is also a small brush and it is double-sided cleaning brush. I took out the machine from the box and unwrapping it. Remove the tape from both sides. It is not a broken part, this is a thermometer. You can use this thermometer for lamb chops, chicken, burger, fish fillets, and much more. This is called crisper basket, and we also have a cooking pot as well. I briefly explain about the thermometer. This is the storage place where you keep thermometer. Whenever you use thermometer in the meat, always insert horizontally into the center of the thickest part of the meat. Now plug the thermometer into the jack. First part of the video has been completed. In this part, I will bake chicken and make a crispy chips. I do not want to make this video longer. I will grill chicken which is already prepared. If you like the recipe, link is present in the description. I'm going to place a chicken in the grill and this is how I will insert the thermometer in the middle of the meat. This is how thermometer wire will go on the side. It won't break. Turn it on by pressing the power button. Now select grill and you can set the temperature on high, medium or low. You can use either preset or a manual. I tap on the preset button and it giving me option to select beef, fish, pork or chicken. I selected chicken and then I press on the start button. It started. And once the meat will be done, it will be turned off by itself. Meat is ready and it turned off by itself. Remove the thermometer and it is washable. Chicken looks fine. It looks like cooked. I will taste it and let you know in a couple of minutes. Now I am taking out the grill pan and I will put the chips basket. Tap on a power button and select crispy chips. It set the temperature to 390 Fahrenheit and time to 20 minutes. I will leave the time to 20, but you can adjust by pressing up and down. And then I press the start button. By the way, I tried chicken and it looked okay. 20 minutes has been completed and machine turned out by itself. Chips look like burned and they are very hard. Whenever you make a chips, try to set a time to 10 or 12 minutes. This was the review for Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video and write down your comment in the comment box. Goodbye.